Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a strawberry glaze. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Now we're going to make the strawberry glaze. 1 slice strawberry, put it in our little food processor. We're going to puree it. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of water and continue to puree it. There, we have beautiful pureed strawberry. Now we're going to take a small dish and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, 1 cup of powdered sugar, which we're going to sift in. Stir. Now we're going to slowly add in our strawberry puree. Mix until it's combined. Add a bit more. Add the remainder. And mix until it's combined. Now we have a beautiful strawberry glaze that we can use. So pretty. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.